How to use cashback on Amazon. Utilize cashback credit cards. Several credit cards offer cashback rewards for Amazon purchases. Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card offers 5% cashback on Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market purchases for Prime members. Amazon Rewards Visa Signature Card provides 3% cashback on Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market purchases for non-Prime members. Discover It Cashback Credit Card offers 5% cashback on rotating categories which occasionally include Amazon.com. American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card provides 3% cashback on US online retail purchases including Amazon. You redeem these at checkout and through the issuer's portal. Participate in Amazon's cashback programs. Occasionally, Amazon provides cashback rewards when using Amazon Pay for purchases. Amazon sometimes offers bonuses when you reload your gift card balance. You can also use third-party cashback platforms like Top Cashback or Paysawapas, and you redeem these through your account balance and through your bank transfers, PayPal or gift cards depending on the platform's options. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.